Okay, let's try and start up the two engines that I got from Bewley side by side for the first time.
So I'm going to try the blue one first.
See if she starts.
Well, there you go, they both still run. That old 5 horsepower starts up alright when you give it some prime. Bit of fuel down the carburetor, and the blue one still starts fairly easy. So yeah, there you go. And that one does have quite a nice low idle. This one's just got a normal sort of idle at the moment. Don't really want to put that one any lower because it does run quite nice. But yeah, there you go. 2 Bewley engines, still running nice. Well, sort of. So what was that, running for about 2 minutes? And it's put all of that oil onto this board. Oh dear. Yep, she's certainly passing through a lot of oil. Oh well. She still runs good though.